Today I am going to show you how to change your mouse cursor like this. This is Snow mouse cursor. And there is also a nice black mouse cursor. Everything is different from normal cursors. To change your cursor like this, follow my steps carefully. At first, go to the link below in the description. Here you will find lots of amazing cursor designs. To download, click here. After clicking, you will see sign up box. Now sign up using your name and email. I have already signed up.
After signing up, log in and download your file.
Here is a lot of animated mouse cursor. Just download and install the one you want and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, please.
Now extract the file in a new folder. Open the folder you have extracted your files. You will see a lot of icons. You can read installation instruction. Or install directly like this. Click Yes. After installing, go to Windows search bar. Type mouse. Click mouse settings. Then go to additional mouse options. Click pointer and select your mouse cursor you have installed. Click apply and it's done. Now you have a new mouse cursor. Wait and see how I install another. If you feel good now, please like and subscribe.